Hello, welcome to my third episode. Today we will talk about South Shoreline's GP38-2. This is South Shoreline's work locomotives. Let's get started. Our story begins back with the GP7. The GP7 was EMD's first general purpose built locomotives. The GP7 went onward with the GP8, GP9, GP10, and so onward. The GP8 is our locomotive, that it's not only South Shoreline's work locomotive, but it's also one of the locomotives related in the general purpose series. So, the GP38-2 has a maximum output of 2,000 horsepower, which in my opinion that's weak, but your crews, South Shoreline crews or whoever operates this locomotives knows the best of what it's, what should be done. It has a length of 59 feet 2 inches, a width of 10 feet 4.5 inches, and a height of 15 feet 4 inches. They come at a weight of 250,000 pounds, have an EMD 16645E prime mover, has a V16 two-stroke diesel engine, has an AC alternator, a DC traction motors, a 16-cylinder engine. They have a maximum speed of 65 miles an hour. And in the end, these locomotives are XGT. GT is now known as CN, or Canadian National, which was merged. GT merged with Canadian National. And there were a handful of locomotives from GT, and just South Shoreline had an opportunity to buy some, to have a work locomotive. But anyways, they did not add an HP generator, but anyways, I know about that stuff. But they don't have marker lights, which they can't be used in push-pull operations. And they don't have a WAPCO M2 couplers, which is what all their electric multiple units use. Long story short, they'll need an adapter in order to use this, to tow them. But it's not an everyday occasion. They only use this when a train breaks down. But anyways, these cars are equipped with a MixCast P3 and an EMD steel bell. And for some reason, South Shoreline on all of their rolling stock uses a MixCast P3. But all of their rolling stock has different bells. Like there's only one type of, but I do not know why South Shoreline only uses MixCast P3s. That's because they're the cheapest horns in the internet. I'll get out of here. Thank you. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this third episode, and this will end the South Shoreline topic. I guess I was like the first person to do the South Shoreline topic. I had a lot of fun editing these videos and just so on. So I think I will talk next time about Metro. So anyways, I had a lot of fun editing these videos and, talking about these engines and stuff. So I really have had a lot of fun, And I think I'm the only one to do the topic on the South Shoreline because I don't think anyone else has done on the South Shore line any topic. So, yeah, like, comment, subscribe. No. And then we'll talk next time about Metro, and then after that, talk about what Metro uses. So, see you on the next one. We'll talk about Metro. Bye.